Okay, I know I didn't say hi to you guys, but before I can get to my team, this is kind of cool and the things are closed. We need that code later. Okay, quick, fast. No, phew. I thought I was gonna get hurt a bit. People sit down. Oh my god. They're gonna die. People sit down. People sit down. Oh my god. Seriously? Oh, how many people got hurt? Sandwiches, hello, where are the thingamajigs? Where are the people? Here, people. Okay. Yeah. Prepare. Come here, I know one's coming for me. Come on, I want some sandwiches. Thank you. Come on, give me my sandwiches. Thank you. This video's already at 2 Thingamajigs. This is here now. Oh, someone ate too much mayo. Or allergic to mayo. Quick, let's look. Enemy. Us, Panda Girl. We don't need Panda Girl's luggage. We need Amy. The wrong girl's not hers. Pink? No, not hers either. No, not that person's either. Oh, someone found it. It was probably a... Oh, what's that? No, that's Panda Girl. Oh, it's probably gone because it took the time. Okay, this is going pretty fast. Lucky for me then. But the story won't last so long. It's gonna be pretty hard to survive the snakes, but I survived this twice. I'm pretty good at this now. Okay, hi dude, hi captain. And here comes the snake, so I better stand up. And right up here because the snakes are coming. Ooh, I want to see how it looks like outside. Let me just try to... Whoa. Okay, let me just try to... There we go. Now, the monster is going to be on the right wing, but I don't really know what the right wing is. Oh wait, this wing. I think it's going to be on this wing's over here. Just go this way. Somewhere around... Oh, there he is. I see him over there. See? You guys can probably see him too. I'm trying to show you this, but it's kind of hard to see. Now the snakes are coming, so we're gonna go near these because I'm gonna go over here because one of them will open. So I'm gonna stay in the middle because the middle is the right place to stay at, so you can know which one is coming. So I'm gonna try to not get bitten by the snakes as well. People, come stand up on these thingamajigs, or else you're gonna die. Oh my god, it's shaking. Snakes, yes, they're snakes. I might be the only one that's gonna be surviving. Hopefully the bomb won't come on me, or I won't get the oxygen thingamajigs. So the snakes, wait. Oh, the snakes. Oh, come on, we're not gonna be here. Shoot. Oh, don't leave the snakes to me. Where's the open gate? Oh, over in here, quick. Okay, there we go. Me and these 2 girls are already in here. Oh, for these 3 girls and yeah. Oh, a lot of people are getting in this only one washroom here. Oh, the rest of them died, I think. They have some time left, but oh, I think they died by now. Yeah, they probably died. See, now they died mostly. Oh dear. That was scary. I know that was scary, girl. Lexi. What was happening? Yeah, let's discuss. I don't know what was happening, girl. Let's go. Let's go out. Open up. Open up. Oh, I'm trying to be kind of quiet because my parents are there. Alright. Open. There was a monster. There was a monster. There was a monster. I know, girl. I mean, I'm talking to my own self. There was a monster. No, we're losing oxygen. That's the part next. So I'm gonna go to my seat because it could drop on my seat. Yeah, right here. It could drop right over here. So this is the oxygen part. One of us will have to die. It will drop from somewhere around here. The captain will be speaking now. Captain. Oh no, I think I'm going to do it. It's going to take a long time. But I'm going to try to post this video. Good news, the power is back up. Bad news, oxygen. We're losing a ton of oxygen. I know, dude. I know, Captain. So we're using a satisfactory amount of oxygen. This will drop. I'll go over your seat. Oh no. Quick. Oh my god, my heart was pouncing like crazy. Girl, one of you can only have it. Oh no, 2 people died. I thought only one was gonna die. But thankfully, if I have it on before I could die. The mask will keep you. Hello? Oh, okay. Oh my god. What's this? Oh yes, the blue wire. We need a pair of scissors. And the scissors are supposed to be right over here. I know I have to cut the blue wires, so I'm gonna cut the blue wires. That might be the wrong one, but I don't think I have a choice now. There's so many people in here anyways. I'm so cool. Okay, I found a pair of scissors. Okay, I'm gonna be cutting the blue wires. And then we just put the blue. Oh. Oops. Oops, sorry girl, but the damage is already done. I'm so sorry. And the crew is on the other side. In Inquisitor mode thingamajig. I can't say it. Not here. They're on the other side. Yeah, they're on the other side. Really? Did my game just froze? Well, guys, and this has to be the end of the video. I'm so sorry. I'll come back here. This is not going to become part 2. I'll be back again. Bye, guys.